Hello, it's Dr. Grafton, and in this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to accomplish assignment 1.5, chapter 2, describing the distribution of a variable. Um, we're going to be using the data analysis tool pack for this assignment, and you need to have had installed that in Excel. Excel doesn't come with that installed by default, and these videos that you see listed here should help you do that, okay? Um, you're going to download the spreadsheet. From that spreadsheet, then there's 5 different things that we're wanting you to do. We're going to talk about histograms. We're going to talk about means, median scores for each exams. You're going to explain some differences after you've got have that information, and then you can also characterize the performance based on mid and final exams. You're going to create a new column, and I'll show you how to do that here in a minute in Excel. And you're going to do a histogram on that. So it's asking you to do 3 sets of descriptive statistics and 3 histograms. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to do it once. So I'm going to take midterm exams, show you how to do the histogram and how to do the descriptive statistics for that. You're going to need to be able to do it for final and be able to do it for the difference. And then you're also going to need to be able to do some kind of summation of that for the assignment. But my goal is just to get you up to speed so you're able to use those functions, okay? So let me go to the Excel spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet that's downloaded. In the one that you get, there'll be a gray box up here that has the information in it. I went ahead and deleted that gray box so that I have more spreadsheet to work with. So while we're here, let me go ahead up here and I'm going to create the difference column. Okay, so you saw me, I went up and made that bold so it keeps in with the title. So basically what they're wanting you to do is create the difference between the final exam and the midterm. So that's an equal C2, which is the final, and you see where that's highlighted, minus B2, which is the midterm. Okay, so as you're doing that, your Excel is telling you what cells it's getting that formula from. So you hit enter. Now you see that one's fairly easy to see what the difference is. But what we do that for is so we can replicate that all the way down. So you see where the cross there is. It's if we hover over this corner, you see it turns into a little plus sign. So if you left click your mouse and then drag it down, you see we're dragging it down. That's going to drag that formula down all the way down to where the last row is, which is number 97. Okay, and then it just filled in all that differences. So we didn't have to retype that all the way down. Okay. All right, so let's look at the first histogram. So we're going to do midterm in this example. Again, like I said earlier, you're going to have to do the other ones. So we go up to the data tab. Once you've installed the data analysis tool pack, it'll come up over here on the right. I click on that, a dialog box comes up. We're going to be using 2 of these in this particular assignment. The first one is histogram. So you see where I highlighted histogram. I click OK. I'm going to click on this column here. That's where the date of output is going to be. I'm going to click in here on input. So I go up here to midterm, and the shortcut here is if you do the shift control button and then hit the down button, it will highlight that whole column. You don't have to drag your cursor all the way down to get to that bottom. If you noticed, we had in that there was a label midterm, so we want to check that box label, and then we want to chart our output. Okay, by charting the output, that'll create our histogram for us. Click OK, voila. So there's your information that the histogram is made from, and there's the histogram that Excel did for us. Now you'll need to do this 3 more times. You'll need to do it with the final exam. You'll need to do it with 2 more times with final exam and with the differences. You can stack them on top of each other or you can go across. The key thing is just tell them what cell that you want it to be in. The next one then is the descriptive statistics. And again, you'll need to do this descriptive statistics 3 times. I'm just going to do it once for demonstration purposes. Go over here to data analysis, go up here to descriptive statistics, click OK. I'm going to want this output range to be right here. There. Okay. You have to click inside the box before you click on the cell you want it to go to. Again, then input range, I go up here, click on midterm, control shift down arrow, it selects the whole thing. We have a label as we had before. I'm going to click on summary statistics and I'm going to click OK. And so now it's put it right where it said to put it. You need to expand this column a little so you can get all the information in there. And now you're able to see your mean, your median, and your standard deviation, some of your other descriptive statistics, minimums, maximums, summary. Once you've got this information created now, you should, what I would recommend is taking these and putting them side by side. So you've got midterm, final, and differences so you can compare them across because you're going to have to answer some questions to that. Now, in answering the questions, it's all right with me if you just go ahead and type it on the same Excel sheet. You could create new tabs and you can put it in there if you like. Either way, I need to be able to see that you've done the work. Okay. I hope this is helpful and thank you very much.